Welcome to the daily message on this 27th Sunday in Ordinary Time. We all know that we're living in a time of high anxiety. We're still in the midst of a pandemic that just does not want to go away. There are calls for racial justice and unrest in the streets of our cities. There is controversy over the selection of the next Supreme Court justice. There is uncertainty about the upcoming election. And so in a time like this, the reading from St. Paul's letter to the Philippians is especially relevant. And so all I want to do today is read this reading slowly and ask you to reflect on it with me. Paul writes, "Brothers and sisters, have no anxiety at all, but in everything, by prayer and petition, with thanksgiving, make your requests known to God. Then the peace of God that surpasses all understanding will guard your hearts and minds in Christ Jesus. Finally, brothers and sisters, whatever is true, whatever is honorable, whatever is just, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is gracious, if there is any excellence, and if there is anything worthy of praise, think about these things. Keep on doing what you have learned and received and heard and seen in me. Then the God of peace will be with you." Thank you, and have a restful and peaceful Sunday.